Donc, my communication is intituled Impact of Gold Mining in Komabongo area Stall. The environmental pollution, it is a big concern, an international major concern for a very long time in developing country, African nation like Niger. Food safety has been neglected in favor of a quantitative food production. However, it is undeniable that the qualitative aspect of food is just as important as the quantitative aspect. Recent concern from environmental and human health compels African nations to address simultaneously on two fronts. First, to produce food in sufficient quantity and preserve the sanitary quality of food. In Niger, population grow and difficult economic conditions generate unplanted and uncontrolled urbanization, which the developing of many sectors like formal and informal industry, road traffic, agriculture, and hospital, that causing the emission of various pollutants in environment, like organic pollutants like PAH, PCB, and pesticide, and like trace element. The particularity of the problem of metal pollution in Niger lies in the multiplicity of pollution sources and the systematic of absence of not compliance with emission standard when it exists. For example, the massive use of hazardous material in the industry and the use of untreated wastewater for irrigation in vegetable crops. Specific context for mining sites. Mining activities contribute significantly to the development of our country, like quartz mine, gold, uranium, and oil. However, these activities sometimes leaves behind them many sites where soil and water are polluted, potentially contaminated with various organic, chemical, or inorganic, like cyanide, arsenic, cadmium, chromium, copper, and nickel, and zinc. The environmental risk of the pollutant is a societal problem that deserves special attention. In Niger, Tillabéri is the main gold mining area. Modern mining company and traditional limited have been set in several areas. In this map, you show donc Niger and Tillabéri. It is here. For decades in Komabongo, gold is traditional exploited using hazardous chemicals such as mercury or cyanide. They have been exploited gold for decades with inadequate technique or processes which are inadequate of use of hazardous chemicals. During the gold processing, large quantity of solid and liquid mining are generated and abandoned in the form of heaps without any management. And at the social level, this mining activity leads to the depravity of morts, which increase the rate of sexually transmissible disease and decline in the enrollment rate in the gold mining area. There's environmental and social risk related to gold mining area, a societal problem that deserves special attention. In this picture, donc you saw abandoned gold waste without any treatment. Donc this can pollute soil and water. In this picture, we saw the difficulties water supply at the gold site and pollution risk. And the pollution risk in the site. Donc in this picture, you show that the girl is shifting through the crush or without any protection, And in this, you show a man who cruised the ore with a machine, also without any protection. And here we saw an individual who handles mercury in this hand without protection. Donc mercury in this hand without any protection. And in this picture, we show a cyanidation basin which you use cyanide. Hence, the following question are soil from Koma Bongo gold mine site contaminated by trace elements. Trace element concentration in soil exceed international health norms. Can this soil be used for agricultural purpose? What are the health risks for people living near this mining site? Yet today, to our knowledge, there are few data published on trace element level in soil of these mining areas. Hence, the need for research to help answer the safety of Nigerian consumers against metal transfer in the food chain. The general objective is to remediate this lack of knowledge on the metal pollution in this gold area and find the importance and the origin of this metal pollution. For specific objective is to be determine the level of trace elements in Koma Bongo soil, compare this concentration with the regular guideline value, and calculate the impact distance of metal pollution due to gold mining. Compile metal pollution maps of soil and water, identifies practices or techniques which are responsible for the environmental pollution around this gold mining area and consider remedial strategy, and identify local plants that can be used for the pollution of soil in this area. And at the end, propose a program to adapt the use of soil cultivation practice and soil monitoring. For material and methods, area and study sites, donc Koma Bongo, it's located approximately at 115 kilometers northwest of Niamey, of the capital of Niger. In this picture, donc we can show for this image, show the mining of site of Koma Bongo, which box sewage, which box we saw sewage fluids, and here we saw animal grazing on the mining site, and here we have the extraction pit. In this picture, we show the gold mining extract process. We have here digging, we have grading, saving, and here saving, and here we have acid mineralization here for this pack. 44 composite soil were collected from polluted mining soil. Composite sample made for 3 primary sample with a depth of 0 to 10 centimeters. After drying, digging, and saving, we have extract metal by spectrometry, which inductive plasma. We determine the pollution index about the following formula from Sean EPL. When pollution index is less than 1, donc soil uncontaminated by several metals. When pollution index is greater than 1, donc soil contaminated by several metals. For the first results, this table compare the concentration of trace element in Koma Bongo soil, which is the limit value, which are here. And we can show that the concentration which exceed the limit value in red. And in this is the case of arsenic, cadmium, cobalt, chromium, copper, mercury, nickel, plomb, and zinc. In this table, donc you can show the spatial distribution of cadmium, of arsenic, and all the seeds present the concentration of arsenic superior to the limit value. Donc, in this picture also, this graphic, we can show the spatial distribution of cadmium. So the majority of seeds are contaminated by cadmium. For the pollution index, donc this table show the value of pollution index calculated from Koma Bongo soil. And this, it is this apparent that 12 sites to 13 have been polluted, the index greater than 1. Donc, suggesting that Koma Bongo soil are contaminated by several metals, like arsenic, like mercury, like plomb and zinc. And for conclusion of this work, Koma Bongo is a reservoir of metal which could be the consequence of gold mining activities. The average concentration are very disparate and exceed in some sampling point the limit value for arsenic, cadmium, copper, mercury, nickel, plomb, and zinc. 12 of 30 sites have been polluted by several metals since showing by a pollution index greater than 1. For future work, it's only to access the transfer of metal trace from soil to plants growing in mine environmental, in mining environmental, determine the level, the metal levels in surface water and groundwater, identify endemic plant that could be used for soil remediation. Donc, thank you for your attention.